Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to use Google Translate during your video calls, so you can easily understand anyone, no matter what language they speak. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Have you ever jumped into a Zoom or Skype meeting and suddenly realized there's a bit of a language barrier? It can definitely be stressful trying to keep up. The absolute best workaround for this isn't actually a complex computer setting, it's simply using your smartphone as a real-time translation sidekick right next to your keyboard. Let's get your phone perfectly set up first. To kick things off, go ahead and grab your smartphone, then open up the App Store if you're on an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Next, just tap on that search bar, type in Google Translate, and look for the official app that has the blue and white folded paper logo. Finally, hit that download or install button, wait just a few seconds for it to finish loading onto your device, and then tap Open to launch the app so we can get it customized for your specific meeting. Awesome! Now that we have the app open and ready to go, we need to tell it exactly who is speaking and what language you need everything translated into for you. It's super helpful to get this set up just a minute or two before your meeting actually starts, so you aren't scrambling once people join the call. Here is how we set the stage. Look right down at the bottom of your screen, and you will see two different languages listed side by side with some arrows right in the middle. Go ahead and tap on the language listed on the left side and change it to the language the other person will be speaking. So, for example, if your friend or client is going to be speaking Spanish, you'll want to select Spanish here. Then, simply tap on the language listed on the right side and choose your native language, like English, so the app knows exactly what to translate the spoken words into for you. Now for the fun part. When your video call begins and the other person starts talking, your phone is going to step in as your personal interpreter. Just a quick tip for me as a friend, it's always a really good idea to politely let the other person know you were using a translator app, just so they know to speak a little slower and pause between sentences for you. Here is exactly how to capture their voice. Whenever the other person is about to speak, simply tap that big microphone icon located near the bottom center of your screen. If this is your very first time using the app, a little prompt will pop up asking for permission to access your microphone, so be sure to tap Allow so the app can actually hear the audio coming out of your computer speakers. Just keep your phone resting fairly close to your computer, and as they talk, you'll watch their words magically get typed out and translated directly on your screen in real time. And if you ever need help figuring out how to pronounce a response, you can even type your reply in your native language and tap the little speaker icon to have the app say it out loud for you in their language. And that's it. You now know exactly how to use Google Translate to break down language barriers during your video calls. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.